Google's software student training in engineering program applications is now live. Google's software student training in engineering program is now live, and how to apply for this, what are the necessary information you need to apply for this, I am going to show you in this video. So please watch this full video for full clarity of this internship opportunity. This is a very nice opportunity for you all. And here there is one more information about COVID-19. From this, Google want to mention that in today's scenario in COVID-19, international internships will not going to organize, and also Google doesn't help to get internships which are international. You need to choose only those internships where you easily get your work permit. So without looking for international internships, I am moving to the our local internship, means internships in India, and this is our first internship student training in engineering program, and the minimum qualification for this is you are studying in the second year of bachelor's program in computer science or a technical field. Second is experience in one or more general purpose programming languages. As you know, general purpose programming languages are C++, Java, and Python. Next is preferred qualification. Currently enrolled in a full-time degree program and returning to the program after the completion of the internship. Excellent programming skills in C++, Java, and Python. And last is the ability to complete a full-time 10 to 12 week internship between May and August 2021. This time period will be vary according to the situation, and this occur after the fourth semester of second year student. So last note about the job. What you need to do in this internship, Google aspires to be an organization that reflects the globally diverse audience that your search engine and tools serve. So this is basic information you can read on your screen, that what a Google need from its interns. So this is basically a very ideal words for interns. Google is invested in increasing the number of future computer scientists, and after that the program committed to addressing diversity in our company and in the technology industry. Students who are a member of a group, I gave you link in the description of this page. You can read all the information which I am going to mention here in details. Also, I am only briefly define all these. This summer training program includes software projects, skill-based training. In the skill-based training, enhance your coding skills and gain exposure to a new tools and programming languages. The third is professional development. Attend ongoing technical talks by a senior Googlers. Additionally, learn how to enhance your resume, approach a technical interviews, and improve your presentation skills. Mentorship from the Googlers. Fun, engage in social activities, community building, and networking. Build relationships with your peers, exposures. And also at the last, Google is always will be an engineering company. We hire people with a broad set of technical skills. So this is also ideal words for all interns. And here also it is mentioned all the Google brands, just like Google Ads to Google Chrome, Android to YouTube, social to local, and Google engineers are changing the world one technological achievement after another. So as you know, Google is all where we show. Here is the responsibilities. Specific responsibility vary by the project area, means what project you are going to do, the responsibilities are depends on them. And here it is in the two location, Bangalore in Karnataka and also in Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. These two are the locations where Google headquarters in India are. After that, there is some basic information, and now I am going to show you how to apply for this. Just tapping on apply, you see this type of tab here. Here you can change your account. This is a Google account. You need a Google account for registering in this. Here you can see this is my Google account. You can easily switch your account if you want to fill up this all information from another. And here is our student training in engineering program from Google Intern 2021. And the firstly it needs your resume, which is maximally 2 MB. After that there is a contact details where you need to fill your name. After that it needs your address, country, city, state and also postal code. And at the last it needs your email address here. And after that add your another email if you want. After that you need to mention your contact number, you can see here. And at the last there is an option of website. If you have any website you can mention here. Here you need to choose your country. As I mentioned that international internships is now not preferable, so you need to choose your local. Means if you are in India you choose your contact number. If you have any international contact number you can choose. And after that higher education. Here in a school name you need to mention your university name. Doesn't confuse with the school name. Here you need to mention your university name where you are now, means ongoing your bachelor degree program or BTech program from computer science related courses. And after that degree status, major area of study, after that country, region. And if you want to choose another degree you can easily choose by tapping on add another degree. Here is the column of work experience where this is optional. If you choose yes applying for your first job, then there is nothing needed here. And after that there is a cover letter. Cover letter is always optional for any Google internships because Google doesn't needs any cover letter, it's only need your resume. And if you want to or going to make your first resume, then you can see the video which I shared in my Telegram group or WhatsApp group. I also share the link of that video in the description. You can easily just tap on it and watch that video so you have a basic idea how to make your resume for this internship. So I also chosen by my resume in this internship. This is software engineering intern summer 2020. When I applied for this I chosen by Google because of my resume. I also sit in the interview of Google internship. So this is the basic information I want to share with you. And if you like this, then you also subscribe our channel and share with your friends. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.